Hi again, Year 1. Here's your maths lesson, Week 8, Lesson 4. A different sort of warm-up today, guys. Let's have a look. In this square, you need to find out what 8 plus 6 is and write the answer. So what will the sum be for this square? It will be 3 add 6 and so on. Don't forget to check your work. Next, I'd like to spend another 5 minutes working with those clocks. Remember to use analogue and digital. O'clock, quarter past, half past, maybe if you like, quarter to. Do this every day for the rest of the week. Quick 5 minutes and you'll get more and more confident. Don't forget to put the clocks back in the pack though when you return them. We'll need them again some other time. Thank you. Let's revise those months of the year now. It's easy to forget them. Another Jack Hartman song, the 12 months of the year. The link's in the folder.
12 months of the year, 12 months of the year. Feel the beat and move your body.
Remember, we all learn best in different ways. So look at the screen, because some of you will be visual learners. You'll remember by seeing them. Others, you might learn best by hearing things, so listen very carefully and join in with the song. And moving to the song helps as well, don't forget. Now have a look at this poem about months of the year. You can pause the video and have a read. And here's the second part of the year, the last 6 months. Now on to some data handling now, boys. This is a pictogram, and you can tell what it's all about by the title at the top, Pets in Class 1. Along the bottom, you can see they've written the type of animal, and to show us how many children have got those pets in the class, look, 1 paw print means 1 pet. So pause the video now and just have a look at how many there are of each pet. See if you can answer these questions now. How many children have a dog? How many children in class 1 have a lizard as a pet? How many children in class 1 have a hamster? Which one is the most popular pet in class 1? Which pet is the least popular? Can you see that more children have a rabbit than a hamster? But how many more children have a rabbit than a hamster? I can see that fewer children have a spider as a pet than a cat. But how many fewer? How many children in the class have got a pet? Now have a look at this sheet in your pack, resource sheet 792, because you're going to do your own pictogram now, and you're going to use this information to produce your pictogram. I've been around people that are in school at the moment and asked them their birthdays. I've put the month that you all have your birthdays in, and year 2 as well. And if you look in your pack for resource sheet 793, you should be able to use both to produce your own pictogram. Don't forget a title. Don't forget to label the bars along the bottom. You need to use 1 smiley face for each person. And don't forget this extra one here that I had to draw. You can cut them out, stick them on square paper, and don't forget to label carefully the heading and the months of the year along the bottom. And have a look at page 43 in your pack. Can you complete that pictogram for me too? For some extension work, have a go at the pizza pictogram, and then the roadblock bar graph. And finally for extension today, have a go at these. Can you interpret bar graphs? Can you make your own? Be careful here. Look, 1 square coloured in means 5 items. Read carefully and check your work carefully. And that's it for today, boys. See you tomorrow. Bye.